The biggest thing what's really the key for inventory tracking is aged inventory. So aged inventory is really hard to track without a system because it sits in a corner and gathers dust, or it sits behind another product. In terms of visibility on inventory is, knowing a product that we have so we don't order it again on accident, right? Using old material first, so that gets out of our system. Also knowing if we've got something tucked in the corner that really our customer, they might need that. So let's let them know, hey, we've got X amount of this product that's been sitting here for 6 months. Do you want to take that on your next order? Or, how can we process through that? So, that's been really a really big deal in terms of inventory tracking. We also track where inventory is in terms of, is it at the galvanizer? Is it at, outside parties, I should say. So it's, outside process. We've got several outside processes and we track, where that inventory is, which before, again, you kind of lose track of it. It leaves your shop and you're expecting it to come back. And I'm sure, everybody was trying to track that through spreadsheets, but it's difficult to get that right all the time. So I would say, if you're asking about a percentage, it is almost impossible to lose inventory, similar to how it's almost impossible to make accounts payable mistakes.